Árna Þorvaldssyni. The Black Stallion in the track now is Hrannar frá Flugumýri 2, written by Þorvaldur Árni Þorvaldsson. Og í braut Hrannar frá Flugumýri 2, rektendur Eyrún Anna Sigurðardóttir og Páll Bjarki Pálsson. Breeders are Eyrún Anna Sigurðardóttir and Páll Bjarki Pálsson. Owners are Eyrún Anna Sigurðardóttir, Júlía Kristín Pálsdóttir and Þórdís Inga Pálsdóttir. Father is Kraftur frá Bringum and the mother is Hending frá Flugumýri. Hrannar has received 8.39 for confirmation. .5 for gallop, 9 for willingness, 9.5 for general impression, 7 for walk and 9 for slow tilt and canter. That gives 8.30.